Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake and welcome to my channel. So today we're doing an organize and decorate with me. Recently I got the floors done, so I kind of almost like tore up my place. Just everything was just pretty much everywhere, so I kind of had to redo everything. So I decided to record the process, and I also got some new furniture in and stuff like that, so you'll be seeing all of that. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hopefully you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe down Dallas's crate. I did move it out the way, but it still got a little bit of sawdust on it. He actually wasn't feeling good when this was, I think this was about like 3 weeks ago or something like that. And yeah, he wasn't feeling good, and he's feeling better now, thank you Jesus. But he wasn't even sleeping in his crate. He was actually sleeping next to me in the room. So yeah, this just gave it time to like dry down and stuff. I just made sure I did like a nice thorough clean. I did that off camera, but you see me just like wiping it down. And yeah, I'm just so glad he's feeling better, y'all. Like, I was kind of scared for a second, but he's all good now. So I'm just moving the extra wood out the way that they did not use for the floors, and I'm going to go ahead and put everything back the way it was. So we kind of had to like take over, you know, a little bit of Dallas's area to store everything. But now that they're done, he gets his space back. So, you know, I know he's happy about that. So this is the entryway area, and honestly I hate everything. Like, it looked nice at first, but now I just hate everything, and I kind of want to just switch every single thing around. This place right here, I really just can't figure it out, y'all. I got this vase in Burlington, by the way, and it was on sale for $8. Y'all know I'm not a Burlington girl, but somehow I found my way in Burlington and I saw this and just had to grab it. I think I'm gonna spray paint it maybe like black or something. But yeah, this area right here I'm so indecisive about. I think I'm gonna switch this little like console area for something white, because I like the tones of this, but it's just not giving it to me after I stare at it for hours on hours, y'all. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on the living room area, and luckily all the furniture was kind of out the way because this is literally the day that the floors were finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down a rug that I got from At Home. This rug was pretty affordable too, so definitely check it At Home. They have some really big rugs for good prices. I think I paid, honestly I don't know, because I had a coupon for my birthday. They give you really good coupons for your birthday, by the way, so okay, sign up. But yeah, I really love this rug. It just goes with the whole vibe I was trying to go for, and it's humongous. It's really nice, super soft, so I'm glad I picked this one up. And here's my coffee table. It is from, I think it's from Wayfair, or girl, I don't know. I'll link everything down below. I'm actually going to replace this little wood piece with glass. It came with the wood piece, and as soon as I saw it online, I was like, oh my god, that would be perfect if I could replace it with glass. So that's what I'm going to do. So for my background for my YouTube videos, you guys saw this mirror. This is actually footage from when I first put it up, and this mirror is from IKEA. It's really nice, super easy to install and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of put everything back together. This is like maybe 3 weeks ago. Putting up the mirror was maybe like a couple months ago. This plant is from IKEA. The Buddha head, well, the Buddha bust is from Home Goods, I believe. The mirror is from IKEA, the smaller mirror. And I'm just wiping things off and making it look all nice so it can look nice behind my YouTube videos. Y'all already know. Onto my nightstand area, I got this little vase from At Home, the necklace bust from Amazon, and the little like yellow plate and candle from Anthropology, I believe. So yeah, just going ahead and displaying my necklaces. I'm kind of scared for my necklaces to tangle and stuff, so that's why I opted for this instead of like a jewelry box or something like that. So I just thought it looked nice. I'm also thinking about putting something like green leaves or something in the vase, so you guys let me know how you think that will look. Moving on to this area of the room, just wiping off the mirror. This mirror is from IKEA. It's the Hovet. Like I said, I'll link everything down below, but this mirror is humongous. It's super affordable, and it's just bomb. Like literally everyone has this mirror for a reason because it is amazing. And my dresser is also from IKEA. IKEA literally has so many good things. Like, and honestly, I'm not trying to spend $1 million on furniture that isn't in my forever home. Like, who wants to do that? Not me. So this dresser, it's actually something new from them, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and place this glass on top. This is a custom piece of glass. I just like glass tops for my dressers. And you can just, search custom glass in your area and you'll probably find a place that makes them. So yeah, just putting everything back onto the dresser, the TV, Alexa. I actually don't even use her because she's kind of creepy, okay? Like, is that weird? Like, I don't like my Alexa plugged in unless I really need her. So on to organizing the dresser drawers. So these are literally all my clothes that were just laying on my bed. When they came and did the floors, I actually woke up late. I was supposed to do so much before they came, but girl, it just didn't happen. So clothes were just thrown in the dressers and all that. So I emptied all the drawers, and then I'm gonna just start all the way over. So I'm using these drawer dividers. I think it's by M Design. I'll link them down below. I got them off of Amazon, and they work really good for my top drawer, just to divide like, my underwear, my bras, and my socks. So in my head, I will go ahead and like kind of envision where I want everything, and then I'll go ahead and execute. So of course my bras and bralettes will be in the middle, my socks will be over to the right, and then my underwear will just be over to the left. You can really divide the drawers any way you want to. They actually stretch pretty far. So yeah, I really like these. I did stack 2 on top of each other so that they could be tall enough for the drawers, because these drawers are actually pretty deep. So that's another thing I love about this dresser. Okay, so onto my shirt drawer. So these are all my t-shirts, and if you're wondering, yes, I do fold kind of like how retail stores fold. I just learned that from working retail for over how many years? Like, girl, it's crazy. And I just like folding like this. It really fits in the drawers nicely. So I'm gonna divide the drawer kind of like with my t-shirts. Mind you, I still have to do laundry, so girl, I have so many t-shirts, it's crazy. But yeah, I'm just doing t-shirts and then like tank tops and sports bras and stuff on the other side. So for the bottom drawer, I'm going to do my sleep shorts, some leggings, and then some sweatpants. Again, I need to do laundry, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that up later. So it's going to look like I really have only 1 pair of sweatpants right now, but I really have like 800, okay? So just give me some time. So my bed finally came in. Y'all don't even know the struggle, okay? This bed took forever to come in. It took forever to restock, number one. And it finally came in. I caught it like on a random day that it was in stock. So I went ahead and ordered it. It looks so nice. I can't wait to show you guys like how I put it together and stuff. But yeah, so I just sweeped and cleaned up under the existing bed, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just put it together. It didn't take too long, maybe like an hour or two, but it did have a lot of pieces, but the instructions were pretty easy. So yeah, this is also from Wayfair. Honestly, Wayfair got that fire, okay? It's just hoping that it's in stock is the number one issue. So I just really love this bed. It also actually came with gold feet and silver feet, so you kind of get to choose, and I really love that. They kind of give you the option to give you both, so even if you change your theme up in like 5 years, you still have the silver feet to change too, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is such a beautiful bed. I am so happy about it. Like, I'm so happy that I finally got this. Okay, funny story. So I actually put the box spring and then the mattress, and the bed was so tall. Like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but the bed was so freaking tall. And then I went back to the little website or whatever, and it said that you're not supposed to use a box spring. So I was like, oh, okay, like perfect. That makes so much sense because this bed was so freaking tall. So I took the box spring off, and now I'm just pretty much making the bed. I do have black sheets and black pillows. And the white decorative pillows are from Amazon. Like I said, quarantine, I was not able to go out and find literally nothing. So Amazon was my best friend. So I found these on Amazon. And are they permanent? No. Do I really like them? They're nice, but I'm not 100% like sold on them. They just kind of work for the time being. And here I am covering up the painting that I did for my birthday. If you watch my birthday vlog, I did like a paint and set with my family via FaceTime, which was so much fun. And yeah, that's the painting right there. It's not, I'm about to throw it away, honestly. Like, it doesn't match anything in here. So girl, it's got to go. I'm sorry. It was fun while it lasted though. But now I'm working on my closet, specifically my shoes. And my shoes were just literally freaking everywhere, okay, because I actually had to move this whole thing out so they could put the floors in the closet too. So now I'm just reorganizing my shoes. And at first I put my boots and stuff at the bottom, but I realized, girl, it's summertime, we're not wearing boots, so they had to come out. And I'm actually going to put them all the way at the top. So this is from IKEA, the pack system. I don't know the exact measurements, but I'll put them down below. I'm putting my tennis shoes at the bottom, then my heels kind of like in the middle, and then I'll put all of my like, you know, boots for the fall and stuff all the way at the top. I actually need to go back to IKEA and get more shelves. So y'all, this video is by all means not my official way that my place is set up. It's just literally, you know, what's good right now, okay? Like, I still have so much work to do, and I just can't wait to show you guys all of my visions, because I just, girl, okay, you know when you just really want it to come to fruition? Okay, I have plans, so I can't wait for y'all to see them. So yeah, just putting all my shoes away, kind of like measuring where all the shelves will go and stuff. I wasn't able to put away everything because, like I said, I don't have enough shelves. Like, I went to IKEA the first time I got the pack system and only got a couple shelves because I didn't want to get too many. And now I realize I need some more. But then the quarantine, you know, all of this was literally months ago. Not this video footage, but a lot of the issues arose months ago, and I haven't been able to fix them because of quarantine. We haven't been able to go nowhere. IKEA was closed. So it was just a whole mess. So I need to go back to IKEA and get more shelves and finish off, you know, putting everything away. So that will come soon. And here I am just, again, putting boxes away because I don't have enough shelves. So once I get more shelves, I'll be able to take these out of the box and put them away. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed my progress so far. I'm not finished at all. I will be sure to update you guys with every single thing that I do and put out a video kind of similar to this next time with my progress and everything. And yeah, make sure you guys check down below for all of the links and stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys are, you know, doing good, taking care of your mental health with everything that's going on right now. I hope and pray that everyone is safe, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for 70K on here, 10K on Instagram. Like, y'all are going crazy. So yeah, I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.